Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Kia Cerato S Premium sedan, stock reference number 5124. This shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2016. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.